Loop antennas by Dr. Srinivaslu. Outline loop antenna, electrically small and large loop antennas, small loop antenna, constant and non-constant current loop antennas, equivalent circuit of loop antennas. What is loop antenna? An antenna constructed in a form of a loop. Loops may vary in shape like a square, circular, elliptical. Loop antenna can be classified as electrically small or electrical large. Based on circumference or perimeter, small loop C less than lambda by 10, large loop C approximate lambda, that is free space wavelength. Common band of applications HF 3 to 30 megahertz, VHF 30 to 300 megahertz, UHF 300 to 3000 megahertz, microwave bands. Loop antennas and inductive in nature, different shapes are there. So electrically, small and large loops. For single loop antennas, the smaller the loop, the smaller the radiation resistance. That means based on circumference or perimeter, small loop C lesser than lambda by 10, large loop C approximately lambda, that is free space wavelength. Based on radius of small loop radius R lesser than lambda by 6.5. Small loop antenna, the small loops, regardless of their shape, have a far field pattern very similar to that of a small loop electrical dipoles. As electrically, circumference of C lesser than lambda by 10. As an equivalent radiation pattern with electrical dipoles, radiation pattern parameters. So power pattern f of theta equal to sine square theta. Radiation resistance for a single loop antenna RR, that is equal to 8 by 3 pi cube of A by lambda square whole square in ohms. So for a loop antennas, the number of loops n increases, the radiation resistance also increases. So that means whenever the number of turns, number of loops are increasing, automatically the radiation resistance will also increase. So for the continuation, the radiation resistance small loop antenna eta into 8 by 3 pi cube of n into A by lambda square whole square in ohms. However, as the number of loops increases, the losses also increase, thus making the antenna inefficient. Small loop. In contrast with the electric dipole, radiation resistance of the small loop decreases much faster than that of the short dipole with a decreasing frequency. For short dipole, radiation resistance lambda square RR equal to 25 square of L by lambda whole square. RR for small loop antenna approximately lambda to the power of 4. RR equal 320 pi to the power of 4 of n in delta S by lambda square whole square. Same with electrical dipole, small loop antennas has a directivity as D naught equal 4.5 into U maximum by P radiate, that is equal to 1.5. U maximum radiation resistance of loop antenna. P radiate means radiated power of the loop antenna. So D naught equal 1.5. So what is the effective aperture? A equal to lambda square by 4.5. D naught, that is equal to 3 lambda square by 8.5. So effective aperture in ohm 4.5 by D naught, that is equal to 8.5 by 3. So electrical small current loop for forward feed C pi I is equal to eta k square I naught delta S by 4 pi r e to the power j k r sin theta S theta magnetic field, that is minus k square I naught delta S by 4 pi r e to the power minus j k r sin theta. Circular loops for constant current. For analysis of circular loops with radius A and with constant current, only far fields will be considered. In this diagram, P is equal to source. So here R is the distance from here to source point. Equations are only valid for loops of thin wires. Far fields are approximate as R approximate R minus A cos phi for the phase term, 1 by R approximate 1 by R for this amplitude term. Using the Bessel function, far fields can be expressed as E pi equal to beta eta into I naught A e to the power minus j beta r by 2 r j1 of beta A sin theta. Magnetic field equal to minus E phi by eta, that is equal to minus beta of I naught A into e for minus j by r by 2r j1 of beta a sin theta. Constant current loop for a circular loops with constant currents. As the radius of loop increases, the directivity decreases. Here, straight line a equal to 0.1 lambda, dotted lines 0, a equal to 0.2 lambda. So very small dotted lines a equal to 0.5 lambda. In this diagram, different radius. Once loops are increased, automatically the directivity will be decreases. That will be shown in this diagram. Next, non-constant current loops. When wire diameters increases, the constant current approximation does not apply. Variation in the radiation parameters occur. Input impedance will be changes. When the wire diameters increases, the constant current approximation does not apply. Variation in the radiation parameter occur. Input impedance is changes. So here equivalent circuit of the loop antenna, small loop antenna. So RL resistance, RL is load resistor. So LA, LI, CR resonance capacitor, RL equal loss resistance of loop antenna, RR radius resistance, LA equal inductance of the loop, LI equal inductance of the loop conductor. That is the wire. So using this circuit, we are finding radius resistance. So the circuit will not appear in the antennas. Internally, this will constructed in the antenna. Using this equivalent circuit, you will decide at the how much radiation resistance will be happen in small loop antenna. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my video, my channel, like